Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an event satisfaction survey of a product using Quiz and Survey Master plugin. Consider that I am an event planner and I need a small survey of all my clients after the events so that I could have the data and work on any flaws, if any. Taking a quick survey could also help me with new creative ideas for the following events. I have created it on my WordPress website using InstaWP. This is the finest platform to create a disposable WordPress website to test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick WordPress website in no time by just clicking a button. I've already installed the QSM plugin on the website. To learn how to install and configure the QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Let's start with the survey form. Step 1 is to hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Once you click on Create New Quizzes or Surveys or Add New button, we'll see a collection of themes for the survey. QSM is a collection of stunning themes, but I don't require a theme for this survey, so let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Now, on the quiz setting page, we get an option for the initial setup of our form. I'm setting a name for the form and selecting what kind of form we are using. You can even set up a time limit on your survey if required, and you could select if you wish to show your survey only to the logged-in users. In my case, I don't need those, so I'm just skipping those and clicking on Next. Now comes the add-on page, where we get to see the most popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, or surveys. Currently, I don't need any feature add-ons, so let's click on Create Quiz. And last step is we have reached the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for our customers. Let's start by entering some questions into our survey. Let's start with the first one, to ask our guests how would they rate the organized event. After entering the question, select a type of question from the drop-down on the right-hand side. I'm selecting the radio grid type question here. I'm creating a scale of 1 to 5 to understand the satisfaction level of the event conducted. If you want, you can mark the question as required so the question can't be skipped. Once you're happy with the entered question and the options, click on Save Question. Our first question is saved. Now, let's click on Create a New Question or Duplicate button. On the second question, I want to check what did they enjoy the most in the event conducted. I am selecting the paragraph type question here so that the user could enter the details of the event part that they enjoyed the most. Once done, click on Save Question. Moving to the next question, click on Create New Question. Here, I want to know what part of the event the client disliked. This information could help me reduce my future resources for a particular category of events. Let's create this as a paragraph type question so that the client can write their answer in detail. Once done, click on Save the Question. Now the next question. In this question, I want to check if the clients are willing to recommend this kind of event in their contacts. I am selecting this as a multiple choice type question. Let's move on to the last question by clicking on the Create New Question or Duplicate button. Here, I want to take advice from the client on what could have been improved. I am selecting the paragraph type questions here. All the questions are now saved. Let's set up a contact field to collect the details of the clients so that it'll be easy for us to track who has filled the survey. Click on Add New Field. Click on the field type and select it and label it as Name. Let's add another contact field to collect email addresses. Select the field type as Email and label it as Email Address. Once done, click on Save Contact Field. Our question for the form is set and the contact field is configured. Let's preview our event survey by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you see, we have successfully created the survey to check event satisfaction and it works just fine. And that's all for this video. How do you plan on using QSM? Let us know in the comments section. Stay tuned for new tips on using QSM. Until next time, stay safe. Bye-bye.